In this video, I'll show you how to upload a file using AWS S3 in N8N in a quick and simple way. If you've been looking for a clean workflow to send files to your S3 bucket in N8N, this will help you get it done without confusion. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more N8N and automation guides. Let's get started. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you can add new nodes to your automation. In the search bar, type AWS S3 or simply scroll until you find it. Once you see the AWS S3 node, click on it to add it to your workflow. After the node is added, look at the available actions and choose Upload a File. This is the option you need when your goal is to send a file into your Amazon S3 storage. Selecting the correct operation is important because N8N gives you different actions depending on what you want to do with your bucket. Now it's time to configure the node by giving the required details. You'll need to enter your AWS credentials so N8N can connect to your Amazon S3 account. Then select the bucket you want to upload the file to. After that, provide the file information, such as the binary property or the file field coming from the previous node in your workflow. Make sure the file source is connected properly so N8N knows exactly which file to upload. Next, double-check the region, bucket name, and any other settings required for your setup. If your workflow uses data from another node, confirm that the input is being passed correctly before running the upload. This helps avoid errors and makes sure the file goes to the right place. Once everything is configured, save your node and test the workflow. When the workflow runs, N8N will upload the file directly to your AWS S3 bucket using the settings you entered. If everything is correct, the upload should complete successfully and your file will appear in S3. And that's it. You've now learned how to upload a file using AWS S3 in N8N. It's a straightforward process once you know where to find the node and how to fill in the configuration details. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next tutorial for more N8N automation tips.